May Tayaki ice cream na pala sa Bulacan, 79 pesos lang dito sa SM Marilao. Tara, yung mga kanus, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa second floor ng SM Marilao upang dayuhin ang 7 Stars Cafe na tapat lang ng All About Baking at Quantum. Una na natin silang na-feature nung nakaraang taon nung inalabas nila ang kanilang version ng souffle pancake na bestseller ang Biscoff Cheesecake at Oreo Cheesecake na may malambot na pancake na unti na lang ay pwede na mag-melt in your mouth at may masarap at saktong tamis na flavor. Going to their Taiyaki ice cream na sa halagang 79 pesos ay may Taiyaki ice cream ka na may enjoy with its vanilla flavor, taste at toasted mixture na ginawang cone, and may available din na nasa cup for only 99 pesos. They also have churros na iba ang atake compare sa usual churros with flavors sa chocolate and white chocolate for only 159 pesos. They also have bread na masarap like mozzarella sticks na may crispy texture at generous serving of mozzarella and complementing dip, at may Korean garlic cheese bread na 110 pesos lang na may malambot na tinapay and achieved na creamy taste with its brioche bread. Ending our food trip with their mocktails na strawberry sunrise and ocean blue na somewhat refreshing. Available nga pala sila sa Food Panda if want nyo magpa-deliver. Open sila from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. So what are you waiting for? Tara na sa 7 Stars Cafe sa SM Marilao. Let's go!